Okay, it's time to start on the bed. Just gonna rough cut this. I don't really care so much about how it fits right now. Haven't done a lot of measurements or anything, but the very center is gonna have to come out because the raised area here, and here is gonna have to come up through the bed, and I'll have to create a new bed. So it's gonna drop down on the frame quite a bit in this area here. And I'll use the front of the bed right here. It's upside down. This is the front. I'll use the front of the bed to drop down in this area right here. I'll raise this up so it won't be on the gas. So I'll raise this up so it won't be on the gas tank. Same on true on the other side. Lift it up a little bit. So let's get cutting. I'm trying to do some cutting here. I'm using this piece of wood for a guide. You gotta be careful because, yeah, it will catch on fire. I really don't have any angle irons that I want to use for this right now. I don't care about this piece of wood anyhow. So let's go and get cutting. We're using a plasma cutter, sorry. Pretty straight with it. I'm cutting most of the bottom out of the bed, so I think this is going to go well. Let's see. Thank you. I used the plasma cutter, cut the bed out of the truck. A whole lot of rust, and it wasn't going to fit anyhow, and so took about an hour and a half. Interesting thing is, someone scored the model year that the bed was, so that's pretty good. One thing about a plasma cutter, you don't end up using a bunch of sawzall blades or cutting wheels. It pretty much, it takes a while to go through the consumables on it. Alright, so I got the bed on. It's not so easy to do by yourself, but I had a little bit of help. So cutting out the center section was definitely the way to go. Everything's in pretty bad shape, so I'm going to have to build a lot to make it work. But it lined up pretty good with the cab, I suppose. Alright, so on this side, you can see the tailgate's in pretty rough shape, but I actually like it, so that's going to stay. Definitely going to need some tail lights, but overall, the front pretty much matches the back, vice versa. I think it looks pretty awesome.